Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an common call busy problem on iPhone. So that should be an easy fix, especially if you have some things on. First, let's just check if you have Do Not Disturb on. All you need to do, just swipe from the bottom to the top, click on Focus, and if you have Do Not Disturb on, all you need to do, just go and turn it off. And you can go and check if the problem is solved. If it's not, you can check the call forwarding. It's one of the common issues that most people have it. So go and open Settings, scroll down to the apps, and we would like to go and look for phone. So let's just go and look for P. Here's it. Click on phone. All you need to do now is just scroll down, and you'll find here call forwarding. Click on it. Once this finish, make sure it's not on. If it's on, turn it off, because this is one of the most common causes of that problem. If this or that didn't work for you, as an example, you tried and still you have the same problem, you'd like to try other stuff. As an example, you can go back to settings, click on general. Here would like to scroll down, click on transfer or reset a phone. And as an example, you'll be able here to click on reset. And of course, we would not reset like the whole phone. All we need to do, just go and click on reset network settings. As you can see, make sure to go and click on it and make sure to reset it once you enter your password. For me, I'm not going to do so. Of course, if none of these works for you, you can try, as example, do the carrier settings updates. As example, maybe there is some updates issues or something like that. You can go back to general. Here, as example, you can go and click for software update, check if you have any updates to update. Also, you would like to click on about and check if there is any carrier updates available. If it is, just go and update it. The last thing that you can try is contact your carrier. Maybe it's not a you problem, maybe it's a their problem. So if it's still not fixed, if you did all of that, it's probably it could be an issue with your SIM card or carrier side. So call your provider and ask them to check if busy is being triggered by network settings. If it is, they will fix it as soon as possible. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.